how do you clean the headlight? Watching my headlight on my pickup truck. Right? Look before. Hardly you can see it. Look at this too. Okay, the solution it is 10W40. They call Go Off. You can find up at Walmart. Less than $10, you're gonna have a beautiful headlight. Many times. Okay, we're gonna start cleaning now. I'm gonna have my wife hold the headlight. Okay, and you're gonna use 10W40 first. Spray over here, and then spray that one too. Not so much. Hey, we're gonna go one direction on, okay, up and down. Okay, we're gonna do up and down. Look at the difference. And then way, then one more up and down. Okay. Right. Now we're gonna do one more time. We're all the way to 10W40 this time. Okay. Now look at the difference between the one and two. Look at this. Now look at the other one. Okay. Now we're gonna do the other one. Now we're gonna spray again 10W40. Again. Mixed all together. Now we're gonna go here. We're gonna do up and down again. Don't take it too much. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna do all at 10W40. You restore just like a brand new, just come out of the factory. Look at that. Okay. That's all you have to do.